This is the Genesis G90. The Genesis G90 offers comprehensive climate control systems for both front and rear occupants. The climate control system in your Genesis G90 can be controlled from the front by pressing the buttons located on the center cluster. First, start the vehicle and toggle the AC on or off. Decide between either fresh or recirculated air. Adjust the fan speed for either the front or the rear of the cabin. To adjust the airflow direction, touch the arrows on the climate control information screen to select the airflow direction. 2 to 3 modes can be selected at the same time for either the front or the rear cabin. The Sync button enables the same climate settings for both the front and rear cabin areas. Sync will turn off automatically if a passenger selects their own temperature. Your Genesis G90 is also equipped with an automatic climate control system, where your vehicle will cool or warm your interior cabin to a desired temperature. Press the Auto button to initiate the auto climate control. To cycle through low, medium, and high automatic settings, press the corresponding icon under the Auto button. Take note that the mode selection, fan speed, air intake rate, and the air conditioning will automatically operate on its own from here. One can personalize the temperature by using Temperature Controller. This can be done anytime after the automatic climate control has been activated, and selecting different temperatures will not deactivate automatic climate control. If the temperature is set to the lowest setting, the air conditioning will stay on continuously. Pressing the mode selection, front windshield defroster, fan speed control icon, or AC button will turn off the automatic climate control. By pressing this button, the built-in scent diffuser can be activated and cycled through 3 strength levels. The steering wheel heater can be activated by pressing this button with 2 levels available. By pressing the rear control icon just below the rear air temperature, the rear climate control system can be accessed. For rear passengers, a separate set of climate controls can be accessed by flipping down the rear center armrest. From here, rear passengers can adjust the rear air temperature, fan speed, airflow direction, as well as activate the auto climate control or sync functions. Alternatively, the climate control system can be adjusted on the infotainment screen by selecting Climate from the home screen. From here, the front cabin air temperature, fan speed, airflow direction, and automatic and sync functions can be controlled. Other customization functions are smart ventilation, automatic dehumidify, auto defog, and climate control eco mode. By pressing the rear climate button on screen, the rear cabin area climate control system can be accessed. From here, the rear cabin area air temperature, fan speed, airflow direction, automatic, and sync functions can be accessed. Select functions can also be customized by pressing Setup, Vehicle, and then Climate. Recirculate air allows control of automatic recirculation functions. Automatic ventilation switches the climate control system to outside fresh air mode automatically after an extended period of using recirculated air. Defog Defrost options allow you to select the automatic defog or defrost functions. Fragrance allows the selection of different intensities for the scent diffuser, as well as the ability to turn the fragrance off. To change between the 2 types of fragrance available, press Scent and then select which type you'd like to use. To change the fragrance cartridges, open the glove box and then push up on the loading tray. Remove the old cartridge and replace with a new unit, taking care that the new cartridge is placed in the same direction and orientation as the original. Climate features allow the activation of automatic climate features. Warmer ventilation features allow the control of automatic driver's seat and steering wheel warmer functions, which can be tied to climate control settings. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.